What's going on, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters
How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. All right, so today we here back with, we back with old school, we back to the old school, They hit me back up. They like family, you know what I'm saying? Who we talking about? We talking about KEMIMOTO, yeah. So, all right, so what we got here is the KEMIMOTO tank bag for the Can-Am Ryker, you know what I'm saying? They got their own tank bag for the Can-Am Ryker, and it is right here. So we got the KEMIMOTO tank bag for the Can-Am Ryker. So you like King Jaffe Joe, the Can-Am Ryker has a tank bag. And you know what? We got that right here. And why would you pick the KEMIMOTO over the Can-Am Ryker? Let me tell you why. So first of all, I got this in 2019. So in 2019, my phone was smaller than it is now. And in 2019, my phone would not fit inside this thing. It would not fit, it wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? You open this up. You open this up right here, boom. And you slide the phone in that little slot right there. My phone would never fit in there. With this case, with the case, or without the case. So right now, this is my phone right now. Obviously, it's not gonna fit. This phone is like the same phone as my phone, same size. This phone, look at the whole bottom of the phone is here. So if you had the phone in here, right, and you had like an app going, I can't even close the app because I can't see the bottom of the screen. You know what I'm saying? So that's not gonna work for me, right? So I didn't like that. You know what I'm saying? So that was a downside on that. That was definitely a downside. So it's like you just spent $100 for this, $100 for this, and you can't even use it for your phone. Storage, nice for storage. It's nice to have a little something for storage. So, you know what? KEMIMOTO said, we know it's nice to have storage on your tank. You know what I'm saying? It's nice to be able to look down and see your phone right there. You get a text message, you get something, you can see it right there. Pop up, navigation, boom, right there. You hop off the bike, you got everything with you. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you out and riding in shorts. You shouldn't ride in shorts, but if you riding in shorts, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got a lot of pockets. You know what I'm saying? You got so. But you're wondering, King Jaffe Joe, but does the phone fit inside the KEMIMOTO one? Does it? So let's open it up. So first, let's take a look at it. They got like this carbon fiber finish on the sides, you know what I'm saying? Carbon fiber finish on the sides, nice shiny plastic. So it doesn't fly open on you. They got the clips on the side, boom, boom. So let's get that open, boom, we're gonna pop that open. Boom, we're gonna pop that open. All right, so now let's look at this right here, the phone part, boom, phone part. It's not like theirs with the slide joint. They got the Velcro here. You know what I'm saying? They got the Velcro, boom. Flap that open, boom. What's this? Take the top of the phone, stick it up under the flap, boom, boom, boom. It's in there. I can see the whole phone right there. But King Jaffe Joe, what about the case? Oh, they thought about that too. You know what I'm saying? KEMIMOTO thought about that too, B. Check it. Now this one got the case with the quad lock in the back. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna throw that up in there with the case. Oh, look, I can still see some screen on the back of there. I can still see some screen on there. So that means the whole phone is visible. The whole phone is visible. You know what I'm saying? I can see the whole phone. This is functional here. You know what I'm saying? I could end a chat. I could hang up. My girl be yelling at me. Bang! Right on her. You know what I'm saying? I can hit the end button. You know what I'm saying? In the call. Bang! Right on her. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So definitely an upgrade there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So space-wise, it's probably a little bigger. Looking at the size, it's looking a little bigger. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you take the top part of this right here, the whole Can-Am one fit inside that. You know what I'm saying? It fit inside that. So, obviously, you got a little bit more space for stuff. Got your little quick pocket. That's where you keep your little change in there for your tolls and stuff like that. You swing it open it up. Boom, zip it open. Boom, you got, clips. What's the clips for? I'll show you in a second for the install. Boom, zippers. Backside, Velcro. So you slap it on there, Velcro, but they got the attachments. See the attachments? Always want to use these because my man A, y'all know A, He had the one, the Can-Am one. He didn't put the attachment one time. He was getting on the highway, going around the highway joint. His whole bag flew off his bike. Everything in his bag flew out the bag, right? All over the highway entrance at nighttime. You know what I'm saying? So this dude in the highway entrance trying to scramble and grab stuff. You know what I'm saying? Scramble and grab stuff. When a car comes, hop out the way. Up, ID. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Bank card. Boop, boop, boop. Car keys. You know what I'm saying? That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. So you wanna make sure you use these clips. All right? So let me show you how you install it. All right. So this install right here, anybody could do it. Anybody could do it. Let's hop over. Let's hop over to the bike right here. Let's hop over. We got my man Pipe Gang's bike here. You know what I'm saying? My man Pipe Gang's bike here. So, as you know, we got the bike here. Let me hop up on this. Super easy install on this one. As I showed y'all, let me fix this camera a little bit. Let me get my head in here a little bit. So as y'all show you, boom. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be like right here, boom. You're gonna have your phone right there. So super easy install. Gonna pop it open. You can even take the bag off if you want, but you don't have to, but you can pop, you know what I'm saying? Pop these first 2 clips out. One clip here, right near the gas tank here. Oh, one clip there. Oh, don't lose the clip. Don't lose the clip. If you do though, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. You know why? Because they gave you clips, you know what I'm saying? So boom, now you take this, you see this right here? 2 little loops. We're gonna take the supplied clips that they gave us. We're gonna take the supplied clips that they supplied us, and we're gonna put it on. Boom, we're gonna take the 2 clips. We're gonna even take the bag off just to get it out the way. We're gonna take the bag off to get it out the way. Put the bag on the floor right now. We're gonna put the 2 clips through here first, right? That's what we're gonna do, right? And we're gonna slide these up here. And we're gonna put these clips inside the hose. Simple. Simple. Right? And we're gonna close that. See, that's right at the top. Nice. Then we're gonna take this little bottom hook. There's one bottom hook, and then there's hooks on the sides. All right, so you wanna make sure these are loose right here, because that's what controls the hooks on the sides, is these little things right here. So make sure those loose. Hook these on the sides, and then pull them tight. Then pull them tight with this right here. Boom, tight. Come to this side. Oh, let's get it hooked. Boom, tight. Boom, tight. Look at that, nice and snug. Nice and snug. And then you got one little hook, and you're gonna go all the way to the bottom. And then you're gonna just pull this right here. Oh, hold on, I didn't hook it. Loosen it up. Oh. All right, there we go. Hook it, pull this tight. Oh, nice and tight, nice and snug. Look at that, nowhere, no movement. Tight, secure. And then right here, you got a little Velcro right here. So you use this Velcro, and you go around the strap to Velcro the strap so it ain't flopping around, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't flopping around, then you can slide it down, and boom, but it's not flopping around, right? Right. Now we're gonna take our bag, and we're gonna slap it on there. Move our clips out the way. So so you see we got 4 clips. 4. So the 2 bigger ones go to the bag. Yeah, I stepped on it, but look, carbon fiber, takes out scratches, remove easy, you know what I'm saying? Durable. The bigger clips go to here, bang, 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 and then we got these clips, bang, bang, throw that up there, bang. So then you throw the bottom clips on. Oh, where is it? Oh, this clip right here with this right here. So boom, you got those clipped on, right? So boom, you're like, oh, you can't get to the gas tank. So you at the gas station, you ain't taking it off because you ain't pulling it off when you're sitting on it. You at the gas station, fam. Slide it down, you know what I'm saying? Slide it down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You locked on, so you're not going nowhere. You can even tighten these up on the sides too. Tighten these ones up, boom, boom. Use your gas tank, fill her up, boom. Close her up. slap her back on, hop on your bike, ready to go. Ready to go. And I know, King Jaffe Joe, let's see how the phone look inside there. Flop it open, boom. Flop it open. All right, top of the phone goes underneath, so you got your camera there. Boom, top of the phone, boom. Slap that in there, Velcro. Oh, let's close it up, let's close her up. Close her up, close her up, boom, boom. This is how we looking, this is how we looking. Functionality, functional, functional. Functional, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I could use it, functional. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? So, KEMIMOTO tank bag, I like it actually, I kind of like it. It's on this bike right now, but I'm taking it right off. It's coming right off. Right off is going on my bike, you know what I'm saying? Right off on the King Jaffe Joe's bike. Yeah, I was just doing this because this bike right here, so I might as well do it right here on this bike. But definitely going on my bike, because KEMIMOTO, KEMIMOTO. All right, so, yo, check you guys in the next one. Peace.